To change the transmission fluid on your Razor 200, follow these steps. For optimal performance, always use Polaris recommended fluids as described in your owner's manual. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface and ensure the parking brake is set. Next, counterhold, remove, and retain the two chain guard fasteners and pull the guard out to remove. Then, place a drain pan underneath the transmission. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of fluid. Next, clean the area around the fill plug on the right side of the transmission. Remove the fill plug and discard the sealing washer. Then, set the fill plug aside. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Remove the drain plug and allow the fluid to drain completely. Before reinstalling, clean any dirt or debris from the fill and drain plugs. Then, inspect both plugs and ensure the sealing surfaces are free of any burrs, nicks, or scratches, and replace if necessary. Also, install a new sealing washer on the plugs. Reinstall the drain plug and torque to specification. Next, fill the transmission through the fill plug hole until fluid reaches the bottom threads and begins to spill out. Reinstall the transmission fill plug and torque to specification. Clean any residual fluid off the vehicle and inspect for leaks. Before continuing, inspect the rear brake to ensure any residual fluid has been cleaned off. Next, align the chain guard with the mounting holes and reinstall the two retained fasteners. Then, torque the fasteners to specification. Finally, dispose of the used fluid properly at your local recycling center. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.